Back out a little bit a lot. Today we're going to see if we can fix one of these gate posts. See, that one's pretty much level. This one was obviously not. It has a post or a board holding it up, and so basically the termites ate the bottom piece of wood that goes around, and it's been leading this way for quite some time. And so we're going to use a piece of Harbor Freight angle iron, basically. So it used to have some wheels on it, and I don't need it anymore, so might as well use it. I don't have any other projects right now that need it, and so we're going to take this piece of angle iron and we're going to screw it to the concrete base that you can see at the bottom there. It's the concrete, and see if we can't hold this post up. They even left me a cute little chair to sit on while I'm out here, so let's get to it. Alright, so we got the holes drilled, and I'm just going to put this up. Going to put a washer over this concrete screw, and we're going to put it on. Okay, see the brackets on now, and we're going to basically take this board off and see if it moves anywhere. There we go. And perfecto. Let's see how level she is here. Oh man, nailed it. Perfect. Perfect. Alright, no more board. Fill it in with some dirt, and this project is 100% complete. And so this is just a easy, project. It's not necessarily for super informative or anything like that, but maybe give you an idea if you have some problem like this. So thanks for watching. A little about a lot. My name is Mike, and I'll see you on the next one.